Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at the MarketSite studio in Times Square, New York City, we have Kathy Park. She's a partner at Andra Capital, and it's a great topic we're going to discuss for Financial Literacy Month as we're going to talk about the mentor-mentee relationship. Kathy, it is great to have you with us. Welcome to MarketSite. And I think this is such an important topic, not just for Financial Literacy Month, but in general. What is the importance of having a mentor when you're starting out, especially if you're a minority?
It's incredibly important just to be able to navigate an ecosystem that you may or may not be familiar with. Mentors often can provide guidance, they can provide insights, they can also even alert you to blind spots and provide situational awareness that you just may not know or be able to navigate on your own.
What are strategies that you recommend for young professionals looking to find and maintain that mentor-mentee relationship?
Sure. So in some cases, firms have formal network programs where they can assign a mentor, and so you can ask to be assigned a mentor or even ask your manager or HR if there's someone that they could suggest. If that isn't the case, then it's just a function of networking, which people should be doing anyway, and trying to figure out, are there people that have either shared backgrounds, shared interests that you might have, maybe the same school that you went to, participation in activities that you're also interested in, or as a default, it's just people that you're in a meeting with that you just think, gosh, I really like that person and I'd love to get to know that person better. Those are ideal sort of mentor candidates.
How have diversity initiatives transformed the way organizations approach mentorships?
Oh, it's been great. It's been incredibly important for a lot of companies. In order to create more formal programs, a lot of it is just attracting and retaining diverse talent. And so the best way to do that is to have examples of other individuals who have forged that path, maybe ahead of someone who's more junior. So I think if anything, the desire to have a more diverse workforce has resulted in a lot of companies putting a lot more resources and energy on creating mentorship programs.
Which I think is encouraging, because the space that you're in, venture capital, is notorious for not necessarily focusing on diversity initiatives, and I think it's a great use case to see how it does make a change. Tell us what you're doing at Andra Capital to foster this.
So at Andra Capital, we're very small. We're focused on late-stage growth tech companies. Most of my team is actually based in Silicon Valley. I'm the lone New York representative. And so what we do is much more informal. So a number of us actually have informal mentees. Sometimes they are folks that have been introduced to us by some of our partners. In other cases, it's even just investors who have younger sons and daughters that are either college age or just getting started out, that want to learn more about the tech ecosystem. So from Andra's perspective, the best thing we can do is to try to help train and teach the next generation of business builders and investors.
All right, appreciate the insight, Kathy. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.